Hello everyone, welcome to Shishu World. I am Priya and today we are sharing 3 ways in which you can give whole eggs to toddlers and older kids. Eggs are one of the best sources of protein and we had earlier also shared 2 egg yolk recipes for babies. I will share the link to that video in the description box. The first option is plain boiled egg, quick to prepare and full of nutrition. See that the egg is submerged in the water when you are boiling. If the egg floats on top of water, discard it. Boil the egg for 8 to 10 minutes and you will have perfectly hard boiled egg. Ensure that the egg yolk is not turning grey, which means that you have overcooked the eggs. The egg should be well cooked but still yellow. Chop it into pieces and give it to your child. The second option is carrot scrambled eggs. Very delicious and quick to make. So take a big bowl and in that bowl we will break one egg. So we've broken one egg here and then we will lightly beat it with the help of a fork, and then I've added some salt to it and some pepper and beat it to mix it well just for a few seconds so that everything gets nicely mixed. And now I'm adding finely grated carrots to it. And then again whisk it. Now in a pan, I'm heating some oil. Grease the pan well. And let it heat just a little bit. It should not be very hot. And we've added our egg mixture to the pan. Now you can also make an omelette using this, but we are making a scrambled egg here. So as you see that the egg is starting to cook, you just use your spatula to break it and scramble it. In a few seconds itself, you will see as you can see, it's starting to solidify. So just keep mixing it, bring it to the middle and make sure that whole of the egg should be cooked. There should not be any raw egg when you're giving it to young children. That's it. You can see the whole of the egg is completely cooked. It is very delicious. And we had added the seasoning, so you don't need to do anything. A good breakfast option is already, you can serve it with a toast if you want. The next option is banana and atta pancakes. These are very healthy, wholesome, and you can give it as a breakfast or as a snack. So again, we are breaking one egg. Take a large bowl, a wide bowl, and to this I will add a banana. Now this is a large banana, so I will add half of that large banana, and I've used a whisk to uh, beat the egg lightly. And after that, I will use a grater to grate the banana into it. You can also mash it with this fork, but grating ensures that there are no lumps at all. So grating helps to mix it well. So we have mixed both of these. There's no need to add any sugar to this. Now to this I'm adding 1 tablespoonful of atta. This is regular whole wheat flour. No, we are not adding any maida here. So it's healthy and a very wholesome meal. So the whole batter looks ready. If at all you feel that it is a little thick, you can add a spoon of milk to adjust the consistency, but this looks fine to me. So now we have heated a frying pan, added some oil to it. Once it is hot, now we will add the batter. Now, if you want, you can make smaller pancakes as well, but here I am making a large pancake which I will then cut into pieces. So just let it cook on one side, and after a few seconds we will cover it and let it cook. It will take about a minute, and once it starts getting solidifying on one side, then we will flip it. You can see it's a nice caramelized color because of the sugars in the banana. So it is looking well cooked. We will again flip it and see how it has cooked on the other side. Very nice color has come. It's all set. So I've cut it into quarters and drizzled it with a little bit of honey, and I'm sure your child will like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to this channel if you like this video. And do comment and let us know if you have any request for anything specific or if you have any feedback for us. We'll see you again very, very soon. Thank you so much.